Let's talk about the film media. In the 80s and 90s, tell me one actor who did not go to Dawood Ibrahim's house, dance at his parties. They used to literally go and serve alcohol and tandoori chicken at his parties and things like that. And a whole bunch of film critics who grew up at that time who were going and schmoozing out there. Nobody wants to talk about that.
Yeah.
Everyone, do you remember a few years back?
Sharjah match, all of
Sharjah match and all of that. A few years back, these people were even challenged to talk about casting couches and the kind of sexual abuse you see in the industry. किसी ने मुंह खोला? अब बहुत brave हो गए हैं. ओरे बाबा.
या तो लोग माफिया की बात कर रहा है ना. I can understand people getting afraid of mafia. They also got afraid of the government mafia. Please tell me, in the 60s and 70s and 80s, people who are now cribbing about propaganda movies, weren't Raj Kapoor's movies propaganda movies for the left? They were entirely leftist. But okay, he himself might not have been.
That is why they were let into the Soviet Union and celebrated
Right?
the Soviet
Okay, so and then
Not Mithun. Jimmy.
No, that song became very popular.
Jimmy became very popular. In fact, there is a YouTube video of the Indian marching band at the Kremlin Zoria, which is the military tattoo. A military tattoos where all the militaries combine and they display their skills. But one second, let me finish. And they are playing Jimmy. It gets the loudest claps from the Russian audience.
That's fine. But what I'm saying is, we were all at that time, we were being fed only Soviet.
नहीं, Soviet नहीं, मतलब we
How
are children
Soviet?
of
That's the books we got.
decades where everything was propaganda.
Yeah, no, but
यार,
that's
everything is propaganda everywhere. BBC was always propaganda. ठीक है?
Totally.
Voice of America also makes no these things about the fact that it is a BBC always had pretensions that it is not a propaganda channel. It has been, right? But the bottom line is that today what pisses me off is you have film stars going and meeting the Indian Prime Minister today, and you have a certain ecosystem going into paroxysms of rage as to why this is happening.
Correct.
Why are they going to meet the Prime Minister? Okay. Have previously stars not gone and met the Prime Minister of India?
Exactly.
So what is it about Narendra Modi? You might not like him, you might not want to vote for him, that's a different matter. But stars have always gone, or cricket stars or film stars have always gone and met the Indian Prime Minister. What is the big deal in it?
In fact, you should. If you want to talk about your industry, who else are you going to meet?
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
इशू है, टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.